Here's how to save your ChatGPT conversations as PDF files in one click. By using the Chrome extension ChatGPT to Word or PDF, it allows you to export your entire ChatGPT conversation or specific messages as PDF files and even as Word documents if you prefer editable copies, all while preserving math equations, images, tables, code blocks, and multi-language content accurately. You'll find the extension link in the description below. After installing, open ChatGPT and refresh the page. The export buttons will appear automatically. You can export specific responses, selected messages, or even the entire conversation using this extension. To export a specific response, click the PDF button that appears below the message you want to save. To export the entire conversation, click the PDF button at the top right corner of the ChatGPT window. The exported PDF will be neatly formatted and well organized, perfect for keeping a record or sharing with others. To export selected messages, enable the checkbox from the top right corner. Select the messages you want to include and then click the PDF button at the top right. There's also a setting that lets you choose whether to include only ChatGPT's responses or both your prompts and ChatGPT's responses in the downloaded file. When enabled, it excludes user inputs and keeps only ChatGPT's responses. The file downloads automatically as soon as you click the appropriate button. That's it. With the ChatGPT to Word or PDF extension, you can save, archive, or share your ChatGPT conversations anytime, complete with equations, images, tables, code blocks, and multilingual support. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.